So recently, you probably heard about the first wireless charging phone from Infinix. Well, they didn't stop there. They also went further to design a gaming phone, the Infinix GT10 Pro. While this phone works normally like every other phone, it is actually dedicated for gaming, and that raises a lot of questions. First, what makes this phone a gaming phone? Second, is it currently available? Third, how much? And the fourth question, what are some of the features you will find in this phone that are not available in other Infinix devices? In this video, I will answer these 4 questions, but before then, let me clear up something. Some of the images and videos I used in making this video are not mine, and that is because the Infinix GT10 Pro is not available in Nigeria yet. So where possible, I leave the link to the original source in the description. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, the best time to hit that subscribe button is now, so that by the time I release the full review and unboxing of the Infinix GT10 Pro, you won't miss it. Now, the first question, what makes the Infinix GT10 Pro a gaming phone? First, the display. It has the usual AMOLED display with 1 billion color display feature. It has 120Hz refresh rate and 360Hz touch sampling rate. The screen's display brightness at 900 nits is bright enough to display its content under sunlight. But little matter, no one play games under the sun. Since this is a gaming phone, what really matters is the screen type, the touch sampling rate, and the refresh rate. Again, the screen type is AMOLED and the touch sampling rate is 360Hz. Should we say this is a good display for a gaming phone? Of course it is. We'll fully know how good it is when we finally get the phone. Another feature that makes this a gaming phone is its built-in cooling system. It already has a good MediaTek Dimensity 8050 6nm processor. This is a processor that hardly overheats. Combined with an inbuilt cooling system, it surely makes a perfect gaming phone. Finally, it has 256GB of internal storage, 8GB of RAM, and 5000 mAh battery with a 45W wired charger. Now, the second question, is it currently available? In the meantime, Infinix has only launched it in India earlier this month. We can only keep in expectation and hope that it will be made available in Nigeria soon. If you want to buy it, you can find it on AliExpress for $219, that's over 250,000 naira. The third question is, how much is the Infinix GT Pro? Well, I just answered that question, so we'll move to the last one. What are some of the features that you will find on this phone that are not available in other Infinix devices? The first one is the improved cooling system. There are some Tecno and Infinix phones that have what they call graphene layer cooling system, but I guess the one they used in the Infinix GT10 Pro is an improved version of that cooling system since it's a gaming phone. The second one is the reusable packaging box. After removing the phone from the packaging, you can reassemble the box to serve as a speaker box. When you are playing a music with the phone, you can place the phone above the box and it will amplify the sound, making it sound as if it's actually coming from a big speaker. The last unique feature of this phone is the design. It looks somehow like the Nothing phone, and it's completely different from every other phone Infinix has ever designed. If you see this phone for the first time without the Infinix logo, it will be almost impossible to guess that it comes from Infinix. Let me know what you think about the Infinix GT10 Pro in the comment section. Check out the review of the Infinix Note 30 Pro and I will see you there.